It's no secret that teens with free reign on the internet are getting into some trouble. Cyberbullying, while it remains a popular issue, a new one is emerging, something even more damaging: sexting.
I think it's kind of always been around. I kind of think as long as cameras were were out, they've been around. Obviously, in today's world with technology, we've got a lot easier way of spreading it and spreading it very quickly.
Sexting is the act of sending illicit material such as photographs and even videos to someone over the internet. 89% of parents believe their child has never sexted, and yet 75% of teens have admitted to sexting under the age of 18. This sensitive material is being sent in the most limelighted of places, including Snapchat, iMessage, and other instant messaging systems, and all social media platforms. All teens exposed to the internet have the opportunity to send something inappropriate. Even right here in Davison, internet issues have sparked some serious problems. Nothing you send out is ever private. At the push of one button, criminal charges can be just around the corner. Students sending nude photographs and videos over the internet more than likely do not understand the law surrounding their actions.
Juvenile that takes that photograph now manufactures child pornography, then sends it to someone. Now they're distributing it. Those are two separate felony charges. Then the person that receives it is now in possession of child pornography, also a felony charge.
Fines, jail time, a tarnished reputation, all because of one inappropriate photo. Kids who send something this sensitive under the age of 18 are lawfully distributing and/or producing child pornography. To possess such material can be met with 4 years in federal prison or a fine of $10,000. To distribute, or in other words, hit that send button, you can land yourself 7 years in federal prison. And lastly, to produce sexual content can land you 20 years in federal prison, or you can reach a fine of up to $100,000. What can start out as an innocent action can quickly spell trouble, even if you are sending to someone you know personally.
Think before you send this, because we don't know exactly where it's going. You don't know exactly who's going to view it. Even if you send it to your boyfriend or girlfriend, they might show their friend, they might send it to their friend, and you have no idea.
Sending photos, even of your own body, is risky territory. One moment of pleasure can turn into 20 years behind bars. Rebecca Allen, DTV News.